Barely 100 kilometers away from the high-tech city of Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh is an obscure village called Panagal, which really deserves to be better known. For Panagal is home to an extraordinary Shiva temple. The elaborate and detailed panel carvings found there is like a crash course in Hindu mythology. Every myth of significance has been depicted. Of the two temples, the Chayala Someshwara temple is initially the less impressive, but it has one extraordinary feature that immediately makes it unique. It is an amazing fact that there is an everlasting shadow formed any time of the day on the presiding deity of Chaya Somalingeshwara Swami temple. One has been unable to find out what or which pillar casts the shadow above the linga placed on the ground, as the temple is surrounded by many pillars. Undoubtedly, the spiritual significance of the temple comes from that astonishing shadow. Chayala Someshwara means Shadow Shiva. Many devotees throng this temple during Shivratri. The Shiva Lingam during daylight is straddled by a permanent shadow like that of a pillar, yet there is no discernible cause for such a shadow. This is a unique phenomenon. The temple also has one of the earliest representations of Dattatreya, a composite god with a blend of qualities of Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. Panagal village looks comatose today, but at one time it was the capital of the Kakatiya rulers of Andhra Pradesh. 1000 years ago, these temples were erected for the greater glory of the ruler's favorite god, Shiva. But this man has finally unraveled the unsolved mystery of over 8 centuries. The man in white shirt is Manohar, who is working as a lecturer of physics in Sri Venkateshwara Degree College of Suryapet in Nalgonda district. Alongside his work, he spent considerable time on analyzing the phenomenon before relating it to C.V. Raman's theory on light.
ఉదయం నుండి సూర్యాస్తమయం వరకు కూడా సూర్యుని స్థానంతో సంబంధం లేకుండా 3 గర్భగుడులలో పడమర ఉన్నటువంటి గర్భగుడిలో ఒక నీడ శివలింగం మీదుగా నిశ్చలంగా పడుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఇదే దీని ప్రత్యేకత. అంటే ఈ ఆలయాన్ని నిర్మించినటువంటి శిల్పి ఈ పథకం ప్రకారం ప్రణాళిక ప్రకారం నిర్మించి ఈ ఛాయను ఏర్పడే విధంగా చేశాడు కాబట్టి దీనికి ఛాయా సోమేశ్వరాలయం అనేటువంటి పేరు వచ్చింది.
It was not easy for Manohar to reach to the conclusion. He built a model of the temple with thermocol. The 4 candles you see in the form of 4 pillars of the temple carry the secret. Yes, the architect of the temple was master in physics and he was expert in the theory of light. The architect built the temple in such a manner that the sunlight enters into the temple in a scattered manner. And when the sunlight falls on these 4 pillars located in front of the Garbhagudi or main deity, the shadow of all these 4 pillars forms single shadow. The positioning of the pillars is done so scientifically that the sunlight from any direction would fall on them, and that would ensure the formation of the single shadow, undisturbed any time of the day. The smart architect, unlike other temples, did not recommend a boundary wall to the structure of the temple in order to avoid obstructions to the sunlight.
దీంట్లో మరొక విచిత్రం ఏంటంటే మనం ఛాయని ఛేదించడానికి ఎవరైనా ప్రయత్నం చేసినప్పుడు ఎలాంటి ఛాయ డిస్టర్బ్ కాకుండా ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ ప్రత్యేకత ఏంటంటే ఈ దేవాలయం చుట్టూ కూడా ఖాళీ ప్రదేశాలు వదిలిపెట్టాడు. అంటే సాధారణంగా ఏ దేవాలయం మనం చూసినా కూడా కాంపౌండ్ వాల్ తోటి ఎంక్లోజ్ చేసి ఉండబడుతుంది, కానీ ఇక్కడ కాంతి లోపలికి ప్రసరించే విధంగా నిర్మించడం జరిగింది. ఎందుకంటే ఈ ఛాయకు అది అవసరంగా.
One should appreciate Manohar